How can we improve the student research experience whilst also continuing with excellent research? Now, one solution might be something called the living lab. Now, that's a concept where effectively, rather than running research in isolated areas where various different researchers and teams are focusing on different projects, you embed this type of research into the student's learning experience. Very similar to a video I did on cures, which is course related undergraduate research experiences. Now, a living lab takes the concept of where multiple teams are working in tandem, focusing on particular projects that are important to that research institution, or it's an institutional project that has its focus on resolving a particular issue. It might have long term funding, or it's part of an institution which has a rolling amount of different projects that go through it. And these various different teams are coming together to collaborate to look at those problems in a long term type of research approach. Where this improves the student research experience is it effectively embeds them within that research team. It allows them to take part in various different smaller elements of that research project, allows them to work cross discipline and even potentially cross institution with various different researchers and specialists. And it gives them more of a feel for what the researchers actually do and the impact that they're having. And it's my belief that this type of research approach is exactly what universities need to start to apply more of by embedding undergraduates, particularly more into their research. It allows them to see what scientists do in their day to day lives. It enables them to see what their work can effectively have an impact on the wider communities that they serve, and equally gives them an idea. And equally, it shows them where their impact is. It helps them to relate what the value of the research project has to their personal values that they're seeking. And for particularly with first generation students, it gives them that ability to see themselves in that scientific role rather than seeing examples of scientists and potential careers where they don't necessarily see either how they fit into that scientific mold or how they're going to aspire to get to it. It's often a position that seems alien to them because of that type of disciplinary language or those disciplinary procedural norms. And living labs as a tool is a way of getting around that. If you want to find out more about Living Labs, then please drop a comment. I'm more than happy to share the links to the very different research institutions as well as research papers that are focused on this. And if you want more education and science related content, then please like and follow for more. Thank you very much for listening.